I have a quick question.
Mm-hmm.
Is it illegal to ride while eating?
Nope.
I didn't think it was.
Nope. The only one I can think of is the texting. So,
Got it.
of course, now we can't stop somebody for that, but if you had an accident while you were eating,
Yes.
you could get cited for failing to pay time and attention to driving.
Okay.
So,
I may or may not have eaten a bowl of cereal while riding this because it's got,
seriously?
since it has cruise. But I didn't know if that was illegal or not. Because I don't do it in traffic. I don't do it when there's anyone in front of me or anything like that.
Yeah.
I know the roads, I know the risks, and it's also a fast response. So I didn't know if that was illegal or not, technically, careless operation or something like that.
Yeah. It's probably not the smartest thing to do,
But not illegal.
No, you're right.
Okay. Make it sure.
Be safe, man.
Hey, thank you. Have a good day.
Those would probably be easier to eat on the road than a bowl of cereal.
These would be way easier.
Yes.
I've also eaten
That's why you're not
spaghetti.
doing it. It's too easy. You need a challenge.
Exactly.